Access granted.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I know I have not been posting any videos this past couple of weeks due to the fact that this whole virus outbreak has been giving me zero motivation to post anything. But I do have a little bit of live recordings that I had from the Fear of Gods, as well as the Air Max 90s that recently came out, as well as the Yeezy Mist and the Cinders. So I am going to be showing you guys a quick video of me doing a live cop using the bots Cyber, NSB, and a little bit of AIO bot. I was trying to get some stuff manually, and I also did get a chance to get it. So here's going to be like a quick little video. Regards to everything else, guys, I am trying to promote my group, my Discord group. As you can see right here, I'm going to show you guys the success rate that I have on my group, and then pretty much telling you guys to take advantage of it since it is for free. I'm not going to be charging anyone anytime soon due to the fact that this virus outbreak has been affecting many people's income, and I don't think it's right for me to get any type of source of income while everyone is in desperate need right now. So I'm trying to help out as many people as I can possible. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little online success that we have here, as well as in-store before we're able to go in-store, but mostly the in-store our online success. So here's just like a quick glimpse that we got right here from Supreme to Jordan 3s, as well as UNCs. You got those other shoes right here, like I even got stuff from the Nike SellSneakerz app, restocks, Cinders, and other stuff like that. So as you can tell, we're really active on here. I try to get as much information as I can and try to help you guys. Obviously I have more in-store information, but obviously right now with the virus there is no such thing as in-store releases, not until the ending of probably April 30th. I am aware that the court purples are dropping, or not dropping this weekend. I think they pushed it back to the 11th, but they could have still released on the 4th on the actual foot sites. But I know on the Nike SellSneakerz app it is releasing on the 11th as to what I have seen and updated on. But here's just some of the success rates I've got from the Fear of Gods. Obviously a lot of people weren't able to get too many pairs due to the fact that some people didn't have bots in my group, which I am trying to work on. But I just want to give you guys this little quick scenario showing you guys that you guys should take advantage, and I will be posting my Discord link down in the description below, so make sure you guys take advantage of it. Like I said, it's free completely, and I'm just trying to help out as many people as I can through this horrible recession. So yeah, anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will be doing more live cops as well as unboxing, so I can show you guys the material of the shoe, and then just pretty much showing you guys proof that I do have it. And then one more thing, if you guys could do me a huge favor, follow me on my Instagram at SellSneakerz. I'll be also down in the description. And I look forward to making another video pretty soon. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the video.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days